Yeah, what's up guys and girls? I have a wonderful fast food recipe for you, for creators and everyone. It's really fast. We need potato stew. We need this stew also. We mix it together with hot boiled water. Let's get the fucking poppin'. Experimental kitchen. That's kind of delicious. Yummy. That's delicious. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. That is so delicious. Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost used spring water. Oh my god, that's so delicious. That is super yummy. Oh my god. I don't mix the stew with it. If this is ready, I mix it with the ground. Best recipe in the world. I invent the best recipe in the world. This is chemical kitchen. I feel like a drug lord, man. I feel like a fucking drug lord. That feels like mixing CBD liquid or ecstasy, or blend cocaine with some poison, cooking like water void. Layer food. I call this layer dinner. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That's so good.